Hey, it's Jasmine. Welcome back to the garden. Today I am cutting my first bouquet of the season. So before I had just Ranunculus, and as beautiful as Ranunculus are, I think I needed more greenery and other things in the bouquet to kind of make it a complete bouquet. So I love watching them bloom in the vase, but I think I have enough cress right now to act as a filler for my bouquets. So what I am going to be using today are my Corona snips. These are a needle nose snip, which kind of like works great when I'm trying to get into really tight spaces in the garden. And I'm going to be using a bucket of water. This bucket I got from Trader Joe's. Pretty much when I buy flowers, I always kind of ask for a bucket so that I can have freshest flowers when I'm taking them home. They're free if you just ask. So before we start cutting, please like and subscribe this video. It kind of encourages me to do more videos like this. And let's get started. Alright everyone, that is it for today. Check out our beautiful blooms. Would you buy this at the grocery store? Because I would. Please check out that last video on our March garden tour to see all the things that we've been growing. So I'll see you next time. Thank you.